Now we are going to show how our automated remote telescope observatory's LabVIEW program works. This is just a simulation, and in this we haven't used a DAC that is connected to the motors of the telescope. We just show how the uh, azimuthal and altitude angle of the telescope gets aligned. I'll run the program. Here you can see the area where the image of the eyepiece is depicted. So whatever is seen in the eyepiece is shown in this box. Here we have controls, camera setups and other settings. In current position, the azimuthal and altitude degrees of the telescope at current time is shown. Here we have a go to option so that we can specify the degrees at which the telescope has to be aligned. Here we have the calibration to calibrate the telescope, and here we have all the other controlling options. First we will see how to calibrate. The calibration is done in two ways: by selecting a known object that is in the database, or giving a value directly. Here I select Polaris, which is commonly used for calibration. So when I click the Polaris, you can see that the values are 0.6, that is 40 minutes and 11 degrees. This is the location at which the Polaris star lies in the sky. So there is a software called Stellarium. This virtually creates the appearance of the sky at a given point of time. So now currently in east we have Jupiter, Uranus, and we can see in north we have the Polaris. The positions are 39 minutes and 11 degrees. So we have to manually align the telescope to the pointing the Polaris. This is done by manual control, and at this position the Polaris star appears, let us assume. So we now set the button, and now the current position becomes the position of the Polaris. So from now it is easy to move around with great precision. Suppose I want to see Jupiter. So Jupiter is in 80 degree and 23 degree. These are the approximate values. 80 degree and 23 degree. And once I click the button go, the position gets altered. You can see that an approximate position is aligned to the telescope. Now using fine adjustments, we can easily point out Jupiter. Suppose if you want to see some other planet like Uranus, It is 105 and 55. 105 and 55, and when I press go, the telescope gets aligned to that position. And in Stellarium we have a facility to interface with other software. So by just giving the name of the planet, easily we can retrieve the position of the azimuthal and altitudes from LabVIEW. So it is not even necessary for the user to go see every time the current position. By just clicking on the whatever they need, like if you want to see Jupiter, just click on Jupiter, and the LabVIEW program gets the information from the Stellarium, or also some of the websites constantly update the positions of the planets. From this we can get the data and easily move the telescope. Here we have the block diagram